Doctors frequently issue warnings about foods that are bad for your heart, stomach, and liver. But how about your kidneys? Do you ever consider how your habits may be influencing your kidneys? Since it's likely that what you're eating is bad for them, did you know that almost 30 million people in the United States are dealing with chronic kidney disease? It is critical to limit your sodium, potassium, and phosphorus intake if you have kidney disease. Let's dive into some foods that are currently destroying your unhealthy kidneys. But before we get into the foods, let's talk about the kidneys and why they're so vital. The kidneys, which are bean-shaped, play an essential role in your body. They are responsible for several critical functions, including blood filtration, waste removal via urine production, hormone secretion, controlling minerals, and balancing fluids. There are a wide variety of potential causes of renal failure, with uncontrolled diabetes and hypertension being the most common. When the kidneys are damaged and unable to filter the blood effectively, waste products and excess fluid can build up in the body. However, it may be possible to enhance kidney function and prevent additional damage by adhering to a kidney-friendly diet and avoiding or limiting specific foods. 1. Avocados. Avocados often top the list of recommended healthy foods due to their beneficial fats, fiber, and antioxidants. However, they can be detrimental to those with kidney issues. If you have kidney disease, monitoring potassium consumption closely is crucial. For perspective, a healthy daily potassium intake is about 4,700 milligrams. For those with kidney disease, the recommended range is between 1,500 and 2,700 milligrams. One avocado contains approximately 700 milligrams of potassium. Therefore, consuming even half an avocado can significantly impact your potassium levels. For instance, my patient Sarah loved avocados and incorporated them into her daily meals. After being diagnosed with chronic kidney disease, she had to drastically reduce her avocado intake to maintain her potassium levels. She found that enjoying a quarter of an avocado occasionally allowed her to still savor the fruit without compromising her kidney health. Patients with kidney disease can consider alternatives like apples or berries, which are lower in potassium and can be safely included in their diets. Additionally, the high potassium content in avocados can lead to hyperkalemia, a condition characterized by excessively high potassium levels in the blood. This can cause symptoms such as fatigue, weakness, irregular heartbeats, and in severe cases, cardiac arrest. By moderating avocado intake, those with kidney disease can better manage their potassium levels and avoid these serious health risks. 2. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are another staple in many diets, valued for their versatility and flavor. However, their high potassium content makes them a risky choice for individuals with kidney issues. 1 cup of tomato sauce can contain up to 728 milligrams of potassium, a significant amount for those needing to limit their intake. High potassium levels can lead to hyperkalemia, which can cause serious heart problems. For example, my patient John, who enjoyed pasta with tomato sauce, had to switch to low potassium alternatives like roasted red pepper sauce. This change allowed him to continue enjoying his favorite dishes without the high potassium risk. Low potassium vegetables such as bell peppers or zucchini can serve as excellent substitutes in various recipes, helping to maintain kidney health without sacrificing flavor. Tomatoes also contain oxalates, which can contribute to the formation of kidney stones. While not as high in oxalates as some other foods, the combination of high potassium and oxalates makes tomatoes a food to be cautious with for those managing kidney health. Reducing tomato consumption and opting for alternatives can help prevent the buildup of harmful compounds in the kidneys. Curious about the foods that can supercharge your life and fuel your body with vitality? Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Home Nutrit, and join me on a quest to explore the wonders of nutrition for a healthier, happier you. If you like this video, comment "Great" to encourage us. By the way, we have a special offer for you. If you want to dive even deeper into understanding kidney health, we've got something just for you. Check out the link in the description below for a free, in-depth ebook on kidney health. This comprehensive guide covers everything you need to know about maintaining healthy kidneys and preventing kidney disease. Don't miss out on this valuable resource. Your kidneys will thank you. 3. Spinach. Spinach, though nutrient-dense, poses risks for those with kidney disease due to its high oxalate and potassium content. Oxalates can bind with calcium to form calcium oxalate stones, the most common type of kidney stones. A daily intake of 40 to 50 milligrams of oxalates is recommended for individuals prone to kidney stones, but one serving of spinach can contain about 100 milligrams of oxalates. My patient Emily loved spinach salads but suffered from recurrent kidney stones. Upon reducing her intake of spinach and switching to lower oxalate greens like lettuce or cabbage, she experienced fewer stone episodes. Raw spinach contains 136 to 290 milligrams of potassium per cup, which can become even more concentrated when cooked. Therefore, moderating spinach intake or choosing alternatives can be beneficial for kidney health. In addition to its high oxalate content, spinach also contains compounds that can interfere with the absorption of calcium and other minerals. This can lead to mineral imbalances, which are particularly problematic for individuals with compromised kidney function. By opting for low oxalate and low potassium vegetables, those with kidney issues can maintain a more balanced diet that supports overall health. 4. Pickles and other pickled foods like olives and relish are high in sodium, which can be harmful to those with kidney disease. A single pickle can contain close to 200 milligrams of sodium, which is about 80% of the recommended daily allowance for a healthy adult. High sodium intake can lead to increased blood pressure and kidney stones. My patient Mark, who loved pickles, had to significantly reduce his consumption to manage his blood pressure and kidney health better. He switched to fresh vegetables with herbs and spices for flavor instead of relying on pickled options. This adjustment helped him maintain a healthier sodium balance and improve his overall kidney function. Excessive sodium intake can also lead to fluid retention, which places additional strain on the kidneys and can exacerbate conditions such as hypertension and edema. By reducing sodium intake and avoiding high-sodium foods like pickles, individuals with kidney disease can better manage their symptoms and support kidney function. 5. Apricots, while rich in vitamins A and C and copper, are also high in potassium. 1 cup of fresh apricots contains 427 milligrams of potassium, while dried apricots can contain as much as 1.5 grams per ounce. For individuals on a low-potassium diet, consuming apricots can quickly exceed their daily allowance. My patient Linda loved snacking on dried apricots but had to find alternatives after being diagnosed with kidney disease. She switched to apples and grapes, which are lower in potassium and safer for her condition. For those managing their kidney health, avoiding high-potassium fruits like apricots and choosing low-potassium options can help prevent complications. Additionally, dried apricots can be particularly problematic because they are often consumed in larger quantities than fresh apricots due to their concentrated sweetness and smaller size. This can lead to a rapid increase in potassium intake, further increasing the risk of hyperkalemia. By opting for fresh, low-potassium fruits, individuals with kidney disease can enjoy healthy snacks without compromising their health. 6. Potatoes and sweet potatoes. Potatoes and sweet potatoes are high in potassium, with a medium-sized baked potato containing 610 milligrams and a similarly sized sweet potato containing 542 milligrams. However, potassium levels can be reduced through leaching, which involves soaking or cooking the vegetables in water to draw out some of the potassium. My patient Dave, who loved potatoes, adopted the leaching method to continue enjoying his favorite food while managing his potassium intake. He soaked potatoes in water for 5 to 10 minutes before cooking, which helped reduce their potassium content by up to 20%. While this method can help, it's still important to consume these vegetables in moderation to avoid excessive potassium intake. Leaching is particularly effective for reducing potassium levels in starchy vegetables like potatoes and sweet potatoes. By incorporating this technique into their cooking routine, individuals with kidney disease can enjoy a wider variety of foods without compromising their potassium levels. However, it is essential to balance the intake of these leached vegetables with other low-potassium foods to maintain a healthy diet. 7. Sodas, particularly dark-colored varieties, contain phosphorus-containing chemicals that can be harmful to those with kidney disease. Phosphorus is essential for bone and tooth development, but excessive intake, particularly from additives, can be detrimental. A can of soda can contain between 50 and 100 milligrams of additive phosphorus, which is more readily absorbed by the body than natural phosphorus found in foods. My patient James, who drank soda daily, had to cut back significantly after being diagnosed with chronic kidney disease. He switched to drinking water and herbal teas, which helped him manage his phosphorus levels and improve his overall kidney health. Avoiding soda and choosing healthier beverage options can significantly benefit kidney function. Excessive phosphorus intake can lead to hyperphosphatemia, a condition characterized by high levels of phosphorus in the blood. This can cause calcium to be drawn from the bones, leading to weakened bones and an increased risk of fractures. By avoiding sodas and other high phosphorus beverages, individuals with kidney disease can protect their bone health and support overall kidney function. 8. Oranges. Oranges and other citrus fruits are high in potassium, making them risky for those with kidney issues. An orange contains about 330 milligrams of potassium, while an 8-ounce glass of orange juice contains approximately 458 milligrams. For individuals with kidney disease, high potassium intake can lead to serious health complications. My patient Rachel loved starting her day with a glass of orange juice, but had to switch to lower potassium options like apple or cranberry juice. This change helped her maintain safer potassium levels and prevent hyperkalemia. Choosing low potassium fruits and juices can be beneficial for kidney health. Oranges are also high in citric acid, which can help prevent the formation of kidney stones. However, for individuals with kidney disease, the high potassium content outweighs the potential benefits. By opting for lower potassium fruits, those with kidney issues can maintain a balanced diet that supports kidney health. 9. Whole wheat bread. Whole wheat bread is often considered healthier due to its higher fiber content, but it also contains more phosphorus and potassium than white bread. A single slice of whole wheat bread can contain about 75 milligrams of phosphorus and 69 milligrams of potassium, which can add up quickly in a sandwich. My patient Anna, who preferred whole wheat bread, switched to white bread to better manage her phosphorus and potassium intake. She found that this small change helped her maintain safer nutrient levels and support her kidney health. For those with kidney disease, choosing white bread over whole wheat can help control phosphorus and potassium intake. Whole wheat bread also contains more oxalates than white bread, which can contribute to the formation of kidney stones. By opting for white bread, individuals with kidney disease can reduce their intake of oxalates and other compounds that can exacerbate their condition. 10. Bananas. Bananas are well known for their high potassium content, with a single banana containing about 422 milligrams. For individuals with kidney disease, this can quickly add up, making it challenging to stay within the recommended daily potassium intake of 1,500 to 2,700 milligrams. My patient Tom, who loved bananas, had to reduce his intake significantly. He switched to lower potassium fruits like pineapples and apples, which allowed him to enjoy fruit without exceeding his potassium limits. Choosing low potassium fruits can help manage potassium levels and support kidney health. Bananas are also high in carbohydrates, which can impact blood sugar levels. For individuals with kidney disease and diabetes, managing carbohydrate intake is essential for overall health. By choosing lower potassium and lower carbohydrate fruits, those with kidney disease can maintain a balanced diet that supports both kidney and blood sugar management. 11. Processed red meat. Processed meats are high in sodium and preservatives, making them unhealthy for individuals with kidney disease. Meats like bacon, pepperoni, and sausages can significantly increase sodium intake, leading to high blood pressure and further kidney damage. My patient Linda loved bacon, but had to cut it out of her diet after being diagnosed with kidney disease. She switched to lean, fresh meats like chicken and fish, which helped her maintain a healthier sodium balance and support her kidney function. Avoiding processed meats and choosing fresh, lean proteins can benefit kidney health. Processed meats are also high in phosphates, which can contribute to elevated phosphorus levels in the blood. By avoiding these meats and opting for fresh, unprocessed options, individuals with kidney disease can better manage their phosphorus intake and protect their bone health. 12. Dairy products are rich in phosphorus, potassium, and protein, which can be problematic for those with kidney disease. Excessive phosphorus can lead to a buildup in the blood, depleting calcium from the bones and increasing the risk of fractures. My patient Sarah loved milk and cheese, but had to limit her intake after her kidney disease diagnosis. she switched to dairy alternatives like almond and rice milk, which have lower phosphorus and potassium levels. Choosing dairy alternatives can help manage nutrient intake and support kidney health. Dairy products are also high in saturated fats, which can contribute to cardiovascular disease. For individuals with kidney disease, managing heart health is crucial, as cardiovascular complications are common in those with renal issues. By choosing low-fat dairy alternatives, individuals can support both kidney and heart health. Managing your diet for optimal kidney health. Navigating kidney health through diet can be challenging, but with the right knowledge and guidance, it's entirely manageable. Consulting with a healthcare professional or a nutritionist can provide personalized advice tailored to your specific needs. For instance, pairing high oxalate vegetables with calcium-rich foods like dairy can help bind oxalates in the gut, reducing their absorption and the risk of kidney stones. Curious about the foods that can supercharge your life and fuel your body with vitality? Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Home Nutrit, and join me on a quest to explore the wonders of nutrition for a healthier, happier you. If you like this video, comment "great" to encourage us. By the way, we have a special offer for you. If you want to dive even deeper into understanding kidney health, we've got something just for you. Check out the link in the description below for a free in-depth ebook on kidney health. This comprehensive guide covers everything you need to know about maintaining healthy kidneys and preventing kidney disease. Don't miss out on this valuable resource. Your kidneys will thank you. Understanding which foods can harm your kidneys is crucial for maintaining their health. By avoiding or limiting these 12 foods, avocados, tomatoes, spinach, pickles, apricots, potatoes, soda, oranges, whole wheat bread, bananas, processed red meat, and dairy, you can take significant steps towards protecting your kidneys. Remember, your kidneys work tirelessly for you, and they deserve all the support they can get. Make informed dietary choices and consult with healthcare professionals to tailor your diet to your needs.